Hey all, so my amp was working fine. I had no complaints whatsoever before I moved. And now in my new apartment, no matter where I put the amp, what room, what outlet I use, I get noise like this. Hear that? And it comes through whatever preset I use. Doesn't really seem to matter. So I'm hoping there's something that can be done about this. I took it back to my old apartment to test it briefly and it worked fine. So I know it's something with the wiring here. But beyond that, I don't really know how I can address it. So I hope somebody out there has an idea for me.